I will. I will. Let me help Dylan out real quick. Okay, Vivian, keep drawing.
Daddy,
Yeah?
I ate all my dinner.
Did you?
Yep, because I get a treat.
Okay.
Daddy, can I have a treat?
Treat. Mommy, do we have treats for these guys?
So,
Huh?
Daddy, hold it.
Yeah.
You can come to my birthday today. Only because you.
You want me to tape another one down for you, Dylan?
No thanks.
Do you want to draw something else?
That's yours.
Thank you.
I get it.
Thank you.
Blue's turn, blue's turn, blue's turn, blue's turn, yeah. Oh no. This is...
you ever watch Sanford and Son?
Yeah, kind of. I mean, you know. Remember Red Fox?
You didn't watch it.
No, not probably. Not, you know.
Purple, purple, purple,
Red
purple.
Fox was hysterical. Yeah,
Okay, I'll sit down. Keep drawing. Dylan, should I set you with some more paper?
No other tree. That other tree, please.
oh, we have our honor pups.
No, I want cupcakes.
Honey, I don't think we have any more.
No, I want cupcakes.
Come on, did you look up in the cupboard?
It's 7:45.
Out. Out.
You ready for Betty Bye? Are you ready for Betty Bye? Put the cap back on the pen. Hey, no, we're not going to cry like that. You gotta go.
Right. She's not going to get what we want.
Hey, I think it's a little late, Dylan. How about a little tiny piece of pumpkin pie? Does that sound good?
What is a pumpkin pie?
Oh, I'll get you some. Go sit down.
What is pumpkin pie? Will I eat it?
I don't know if you'll like it. I think you might. Okay.
Irritated with my fluency teacher right now. She never gets more than like 7 people in her, online classes.
Mommy, I want pumpkin pie. I did that.
That's the question.
I did that.
You did? I really love your fine technique. You're very good.